Have you ever wondered about the secret behind that warm, spicy flavor in your favorite holiday bakes, or even that comforting cup of eggnog? We're talking about nutmeg, of course. But beyond just being a spice in a jar, how does this incredible little seed come to be? And what's the difference between whole nutmeg and the ground stuff you buy at the store? Let's dive into the fascinating world of how nutmeg works, from the tree to your kitchen. Our journey begins in the tropical regions of Indonesia, specifically the Maluku Islands, also known as the Spice Islands. Here, the nutmeg tree, or Myristica fragrans, thrives. This isn't your average fruit tree, it's a unique botanical wonder that gives us two different spices from a single fruit. The fruit itself looks a bit like a small apricot or a peach. When it ripens, the outer fleshy husk splits open, revealing a vibrant red, lacy membrane called the aril. This aril is what we know as mace. It's carefully peeled off and dried, taking on a golden orange hue and a flavor that's slightly more delicate and peppery than nutmeg. Once the mace is removed, what's left is the hard, dark brown seed inside. This is the nutmeg. The seed is then left to dry for several weeks. As it dries, the outer shell becomes hard and brittle. This is the whole nutmeg you might see in a spice shop. Now, if you've only ever used ground nutmeg, you might be surprised to learn how much more fragrant and flavorful whole nutmeg is. The moment you grate it, you're releasing volatile oils that have been locked inside, giving you a powerful, aromatic punch that pre-ground versions just can't match. That's because those oils start to lose their potency the moment they're exposed to air. So, how does a whole nutmeg turn into the powder in your spice rack? It's a simple process of grinding. Large-scale producers use industrial grinders to break down the hard seeds into a fine powder. For home cooks, a small grater or a dedicated nutmeg mill does the trick. Using whole nutmeg is the secret to elevating your dishes. Just a few scrapes are enough to transform everything from creamy sauces and baked goods to coffee and cocktails. It adds a warm, sweet, and slightly woody flavor that's truly irreplaceable. So next time you're reaching for that spice, consider using a whole nutmeg. You'll not only get a better taste, but you'll also appreciate the amazing journey it took to get to your kitchen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.